Hi everyone, Jessica here. Just want to show you how to do this Pop the Pirate PowerPoint. So actually I'm going to close out of this to start. So just to show you kind of how how it's set up here. These first 7 slides are all Pop the Pirate games, and the color sword that will release the pirate is different for each one. And then down on the bottom, you'll have pages where you can insert like pictures of your speech target or whatever it is that you're working on. And there are 7 of those. And so I'm going to show you how these interact with each other now. So you're going to present the PowerPoint like this. And first things first, to put the swords into the barrel, you just click on the swords and they'll spin around and move into the barrel. Just like that. So of course you can have the child, if you're working on language goals, you can have the kiddo request certain color swords and whatever, using whatever language targets you want. And then when the correct sword for that slide goes in, the pirate pops out and kind of spins around. To move forward to the next barrel, you just click anywhere on the slide and it'll go to a new page. As you can see, the icon at the top here is different. So I'm just going to click the back arrow to go back to this page and show you that like I said, there's a different icon here at the top of each of these pages. I'm just pressing on the forward arrow to go forward. Now I'm going to go back to the first blank one. So the way that this works is that you click up here to get to those other slides. So I'm going to click here on this anchor. Say I want to start with a target word. You can put whatever you're working on into here. As you can see, this is just like one of the pages that one of the 7 target pages. And then you just click on whatever icon you last clicked on. So I click on the anchor to get here. I'm going to click on the anchor to get back to that same page. And the reason that matters is if you're clicking swords after going back and forth between the swords and the target. So say the child clicks the green one and then I want to go to a speech word. This will be the number 2 speech word. I want to go back. The green sword is still there. So you haven't like lost anything from the game. So now I'm going to click the purple. It should work with 1 click, but it's been asking for 2 a little bit. So sometimes it'll ask for 2 clicks. I go back to a different word, speech target number 3, etc., until the pirate pops out. And then I'll just click on any blank space in the page to go to the next one. One thing to note is that all of these should be in different orders. So this is number 1, and then number 3, and then number 7, whereas the last one was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So there's some variability both in which sword is the activating sword and in the order of the words. So that's the pirate game. Let me know if you have any questions.